What's going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back again with another video, and today we are doing the unboxing of the Essential phone. Yes, I'm late to the party, sorry about that, but it's time for me to finally catch up a little bit. The reason why let me straighten my table out here, you know what I'm saying? The reason why I bought the Essential phone is because of the essentials it provides. Now for me, as far as being a phone person, I love the new stuff, don't get me wrong, but sometimes you don't need all that, and when the phone that you expected that you was gonna buy actually isn't really living up to the hype, or if it's true as to Google's plan, oops, the Google the Google Pixel 3. I'm not as worried about that phone right now. I can wait another year to see what the HTC team brings out, if what Front Page Tech and Brandon, what they're talking about, John Prosser and Brandon, if it is true that Google's kind of just, letting the team go, putting that one device out there, I'm not really worried about that device right now. I'm going to buy it next year, where the phone was actually, worth Google's time. And the OnePlus 6T, as much as I want it, I don't know. I've always been somewhat fidgety with OnePlus for whatever reason. I definitely respect the products, and I still want the OnePlus 6T. But I can wait. So I decided to get a phone that was also on sale and cheap, and that's this Essential phone. And I got the pure white. I let the wife pick it out. I was really close to getting that Halo gray because it was also cheap. It was cheaper actually. It was like 50 bucks cheaper. Woo! Alrighty, now, okay. Thank you, Amazon. Panda Vita. That's where I got my Essential phone. It was on Amazon. It is used or open box, I should say. So perhaps somebody else went and got the Essential phone just maybe for review purposes and packaged it back up. This is actually going to be my new daily driver. I don't know if I made it clear to you guys as far as my Pixel 2. It's been having issues. It always had issues since I got it back in October of 2017. So some of it's been resolved with software updates and whatnot, and Android 9, but a lot of it's just Bluetooth issues and the unit being done, and I don't feel like going through the warranty process with that. So I opted to buy a phone that I wanted last year, which was the Essential phone. Give y'all that close up before we get into the unboxing. And I really hope that Essential can make a second one, but what I do appreciate is them already fixing a lot of the issues that a lot of people had and that I would have had with the phone, such as camera. Even though I'm still going to use my Pixel 2 as my camera, as my shooter, I'm going to bring two phones with me. That's how I'm going to go. I got two phones, you know what I'm saying? So I will be using my Pixel 2, of course, and I will still be using that to do beta software and testing things out of that nature. Rocking my Essential phone as my daily driver because it's the design that has won me over ever since last year. OnePlus 6T is the closest thing to really get to this, aside from, of course, Vivo's Next and the X21, and of course the Oppo Find X. All phones that I would like to likewise test drive, review, and all that type of stuff. But the Essential phone's design is beautiful, and the pure white is even more beautiful. So without further ado, let's finally get into this Essential phone. Let's check it out. Alright, so as we know about the specs, this is a device from last year. So we know that, oh, it's backwards, upside down. So they really don't tell you much on here. And that's a nice thing about all the icons and logos. It's a straight, clean slab on the back of the phone. It's got a headphone adapter. So, of course, no headphone jack. USB-C cable. Fast charger, which comes in the box. Thank you, Essential and Google for the most part. And pretty much anybody Android other than Apple. And the Essential phone. It's got the Snapdragon 835. I don't think we're as concerned about the processor. We know it's been tested and proven. You can almost go as far back as like the Snapdragon 820, 821. That processor is really good. We don't have to worry about that anymore. So and then with the stock Android that Essential provides, the true essentials, we don't have to worry about much. So now let's get into the box. I don't have to use no knife. No unboxing knife because it's already been pretty much unboxed for me. Woo! I like the experience we get here. It's very clean. So as we see, USB cable, USB-C, and it's braided. Like, you gotta love the braided aspect of the cable. It's just clean. It's beautiful, y'all. Beautiful. Alrighty. And then of course we got the braided headphone adapter, clean. I like that braided look, and because it's pure white, everything comes pure white. Then you get the fast charger. I believe it's a 27 watt fast charger. And I'm just taking all this little fun stuff off. As we see, it's still clean, a little dusty, but it's clean. That's what's nice about this open box experience so far. You have a 27 watt USB fast AC adapter. That's what's nice about this open box experience. You're trying this out with me for the first time as well. Everything is clean. Like, I don't have to worry about the phone being beat up. But now we're about to, well, before we get to the phone, we know we want to get to the phone. We got the headphone, the SIM card ejection tool here. Next. So now we finally get to the phone. All right. I think the paperwork is in that little thing too. Here's a phone. Oh my goodness. I like the heft. The heft is perfect. Man, I like my phone a little bit of weight because at least I know it's gonna be in my pocket. I know I'm holding something. And then that white, I haven't even taken the packaging off of this yet, but let's see if we can get a silence for the wrapper, even though it's not the traditional wrapper. Oh, really? There we go. Woo! Y'all, oh my lord, this phone feels good in the hands. Where's Flossie at? Oh my goodness, and you guys can see it's clean. This open box experience, this person didn't even use the phone. Ceramic on the back, titanium, edging, solid phone, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, the Cyclops eye. Y'all see me right there. Oh my goodness. This phone feels amazing in the hand. The fingerprint sensor, perfect in the location. Guys, this phone is beautiful. Now, I haven't set it up as you see yet, so it's gonna take me some time to set it up. So I think we'll just admire the look of it and talk about it. I might turn it on, but I'm gonna leave it charging. I have somewhere to be tonight, so I won't be able to do that much. I wanted to get a quick unboxing out for you guys so you guys could see the phone in its pure white glory. I do have a slick wrap skin coming. That's going to go around the edging. It's carbon black, carbon fiber. So that I'm almost tempted not to use. I'm hoping that it actually it hides the white part. Now that I got it in hand, you actually don't see the white edging as much when you're looking at the front because I like all black displays when I'm watching stuff. So hopefully that slick wrap skin covers the white aspect of this phone for the edging. That way it's just clean on the back because I wasn't planning on covering it. If they had some type of transparent skin I could put on the back, I would definitely do that just to keep it from scratches and all that type of stuff. In hopes, really, I hope it doesn't really scratch like that, being that it's ceramic. It might take a little longer than glass, but otherwise, guys, this phone is beautiful, and I really hope Essential can get everything together for an Essential phone 2. It'd be interesting to see how they, name it and the nomenclature of it and whatnot, because the Essential PH1, if nobody knows, is still the Essential phone. If you take that 1 and spell it out, it's O-N-E, PH-1, P-H-O-N-E. Sorry for the Captain Obvious Sherlock Holmes moment, but I like that about this company, and the fact that it's been also guaranteed Android Q for next year is also the reason why I bought this phone, because I can legitimately use this phone for another couple years. Regardless of whether or not I buy another daily driver, I really like this phone. And sometimes you just get that satisfaction out of a phone. Like, you just feel the ease in the hands. It feels good. It looks great. It looks amazing, guys. Okay, for the sake of this video, I'll cut it on if there's juice left. Is there juice left? Nope. There's no juice left. So what I'll have to do is, of course, go ahead and charge it up all the way. I guess it was straight dead. I heard the speaker was loud on it and everything, so we'll give that type of stuff a try, and you'll catch my review in about a week to a month. I actually want to kind of give it some time to use on the phone. I should have my Galaxy Watch review after 1 month's use up next week. And that's just going to be talking about how the watch has been faring. So with this, I might do a couple weeks You know, I won't just turn around and do a week, because it's gonna take some time just to get the phone broken in as far as apps, getting used to it. So even though a week sounds good, I'll think about a week, but at no more than a month will you see me drop a review for the Essential phone. So I'm gonna hook this baby up to the charger. Matter of fact, let me do that right now while you guys are hearing me. I'm gonna go ahead, because I'm sitting right next to an adapter. Let me take this little thing off right here. I like this little wrappy dap. Okay, USB to C. I mean USB to C. Okay, cool. I'll go ahead and boom, plug that in right there. Oh my goodness. Oh. Hold up. Hey. There we go. All right. All right, so I got this open box used from Panda Vita through Amazon. I ordered it, I want to say Tuesday. Showed up today on Friday. So now that I hook it up, let's see if it will show me some life. Show me some kind of life here. Come on, show me something. Just gotta clean the screen off a little bit. It's a little dinged up. No scratches though, so that's a plus. I just hope it ain't dead on arrival. That would be crazy. Here we go. So I have this mess for about 10 to 20 seconds and I ain't got no power. So hopefully I didn't get played. Give me 1 second. All right, so it's alive. It said something about please lock the bootloader or something like that. So I hope somebody didn't customize this device. Hopefully not. But right now, as it stands, if you see this, oh, I like the opening. Woo! All right, so the baby's alive. Oh boy. Okay. Woo! Look at that screen. All right, guys. So I'm gonna set this phone up, and then you guys will catch a review here soon. I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of what the screen looks like and everything, how clean it is. It's an LCD Quad HD panel, which is cool. You know, just kind of reminds me of a TV in the aspect of it being LCD. I'm not opposed to LCD. Of course, I just prefer AMOLED, and since my Google Pixel 2 is AMOLED, and the phone I came from prior to that was AMOLED, you can understand why I prefer AMOLED. So what I'm about to do is go ahead and pop my SIM card in, set this phone up, and you guys will catch my review of this phone in the very near future. So I appreciate you guys checking this video out. Hopefully you guys are looking forward to it. Leave me down in the, meet me down in the comments below for anything pretty much tech related, smartphone related, essential phone related, Pixel 2 related. You know, I stay down in the comments. Appreciate you guys watching my content, sticking with me, being patient. You know, I'm trying to find ways to get tech, be creative, you know, so if anybody can also help me in that department, please reach out. Otherwise, you know, I'll continue to try to drop videos at least on a weekly basis, and to keep you guys entertained and keep you guys wanting to be subscribed and support. It's your boy Versatile. So with that being said, Versatile is signing out, and until the next video, wait for it.